In this lesson, I will show you how to define a function with a return value. The functions we have built so far perform a specific operation. They don't return anything. The functions we will learn in this lesson are to perform designated tasks and return some value. Let's define a function named add. This function has two parameters, number_1 and number_2. Then use colon and hit enter. Now we are inside of this function. To return something from the function, we use the return keyword. Whatever we put here will be returned by the function. We want to return number1 plus number2. Let's call this function with two arguments. Store what it returns in the result variable, then print the result. So 3 is the result. Instead of storing the returned value in a variable, we could have directly put it in the print function. It does the same thing. Whenever there is nothing to return, a function returns none. For example, let's remove the return key and print number1 plus number2 here. Run the program. Now this function has nothing to return here. That is why we've got none here. Bring back the return key and rerun the program. This time the none is gone because this function is returning 3. So this is how we define a function with return value. That's all for this lesson. Let's see what we have in the next lesson.